I always found that going to see a film and studying it for the first time, there was almost like a memorization of, I guess it was almost like a photographic memory of images, scenes, shots. And so I would draw upon that. I remember seeing The Small Back Room, a Powell Pressburger film, and I remembered the mood of this film. It's a very strange film. I recall very, very clearly the opening title sequence. Particularly, there's a shot of a traffic light changing from red to green. And it's the angle of the traffic light, and it's the rain that's in the frame around it. There's something about that shot that made it very powerful. And also, through the windshield as that person is driving, the windshield wipers are wiping away this heavy rain, and you're looking through. Those two images became really key images for Taxi Driver.